Good afternoon, everybody. Today's video, we find ourselves on a beautiful beach. We're on White Sand Beach. We're over here at Khao Lak, Thailand. Khao Lak is on the Andaman coast on the west side of Thailand, just north of Phuket. And we're going to walk along this beautiful white sand beach, and we're going to take a look at it and see what everything is all about. Now, this is it's on the northern part of Khao Lak. Coconut Beach is just to the south, and these two beaches make up like a special name of this area. So we're going to look around and see what we see. All right, so here is White Sand Beach. And you can see there's the sun. Now the reason I came over here is I wanted to see what the sunset would look like here on White Sand Beach. This is the horizon. And you can see the sand. This beach is spectacular. It's really, really nice. Now the sunset is going to be right over those trees. This beach doesn't face due west, which I was a little disappointed. I wanted to be able to see a nice sunset over here. So if you stay here or if you stay over there, right underneath the sun is Coconut Beach. So if you stay on either one of these two beaches, you're not going to be treated with a really, really nice sunset. You'd be better off to go to the south a little bit more towards, there's a beach over there named Sunset Beach. And Pak Tien and Tien Tong or Pak Tien Tong, I don't know. There's several beaches down to the south. Okay, here is one of the resorts. There's a couple big resorts here. There's White Sand Beach Resort, and then there's this one here. So let's go up here and let's see what it looks like so you can see kind of what your view would be like if you were staying here. So the name of this resort is the Cantere Beach. And you can see kind of how it looks. You have this big grass area here with some little bungalows over there. There's the restaurant, has a two-story building with more dining, it looks like upstairs. And then there's the pool. And they have these sun chairs out here, the coconuts, or the palms. And then this would be the view for if you were staying at this resort, what you would have. That's not too bad. Looks like a couple people are out there with a canoe and a private boat over there. Saw some people swimming here a little bit ago. Now this is low tide, so you have a little bit more beach. High tide is kind of up here to the bottom of these trees, and then low tide is way down here. So you do have a lot more of the shells, more coral, all of that. But the sand is still this beautiful white sand. It's like a super silky sand. Beach is fantastic, clean. A lot of Thai beaches has a lot of trash and stuff on it, but all through Khao Lak here, all these beaches are clean. They do a really nice job with picking up any plastic, all of that stuff off of the beaches. Looks like that tree got knocked down, but it's still battling. You can see it's just growing straight out of the top after the tree fell down. Now they brought in this man-made dock here, so probably people can take the tours. Now most people come to Khao Lak to go to the Seclusion Islands. There's the Surin Islands just to the north here, which I know a lot of people go there to dive. The Seclusion Islands, a lot of people will go to those 9 islands to either snorkel or dive. And the Seclusion Islands are only open 6 months out of the year. They open up October 15th and it opens for 6 months and then it will be closed. So you have to kind of get here at a special time to be able to go, which is good because that's kind of the dry season normally. October starts being the end of the monsoon, but you never know. The monsoon can go long. This year it's been raining longer and heavier than normal. I've been down here in December and it rained the entire time. I mean, all day, all night. So you just have to roll the dice a little bit. Here's the horizon again. Yeah, that beach view is fantastic. You can see the sun gonna set right over those trees. And we started the day off today with a little bit of rain, and then it got clear and was pretty nice. And then just about 20 minutes ago, while I was getting my camera and everything set up, the cloud rolled right in, right to the north, and spit a few drops, and then it blew inland and had a nice rainbow. And I didn't get any pictures of it. I had some technical issues. And then the storm blew inland, and now it's nice again. You can see some clouds over there on the horizon. So hopefully they'll stay out to sea. Now, if you keep going that way, eventually you'll run into like India and Sri Lanka. They're just a few few kilometers away. You can see this fantastic shade tree right there. Khao Lak is a great part of Thailand. All of this area here, from here north up to Ranong, and you go around over to Champon, is fantastic. It hasn't been developed as much as like Phuket and stuff like that. I mean, here at Khao Lak, there's all the amenities. There's a lot of places to eat, a lot of places to stay. But when you go north of here, you start running into rural Thailand really fast. You get into all the palms and coconuts and banana plantations, all of that stuff. But it's fantastic. There's waterfalls, all kinds of things up to the north that you can explore. A good way to do it is to rent a car, and you can drive around if you feel adventurous. You know, get out and see some of this stuff. The same way when you're here at Khao Lak. Rent a motorcycle, or you know, fly into Phuket, rent a car, and drive all around. You'd have a great time, because sitting in the back of the song taos and bouncing around is not as much fun. There's a lot of van tours where you can go, and you go to Khao Sok and all of that. They have tours, and you get in a van and the driver takes you around. And the benefit of that is they know where to go. So, you know, if you just want to jump in and not worry about it, those are the way to go also. Looks like they're setting up right here for some sunset dining. Have a little restaurant over there. Have a family here, gonna enjoy it. Looks like there's some Burmese. Over here, this is the White Sand Resort. Now this, probably the most famous beach in Khao Lak is this one, just because of the name. You can remember white sand pretty easy. And this is the White Sand Beach Resort here. I don't know how much rooms are. The place looks pretty nice. Got to cross this little creek to get over. Well, you're quite a ways away from most of the stuff in Khao Lak. You're about 20 minutes north of like the main dining area with the markets and stuff like that. But if you want tranquility, this is definitely the way to go. You can see they have the tables and everything set right up here on the beach wall. Yeah, you can see this is actually going to be a pretty nice sunset tonight. One more look at the horizon here. Now, White Sand Beach keeps on going up there. There's some rocks and everything, and then the beach keeps stretching out. But you get the idea of what this place is like. There's a few more restaurants, stuff like that, around the bend up there. Let's look at this right quick, and then we'll call it good. This is kind of a cool look at the sun. I'm up underneath one of these shade trees. And you can't go to Thailand without some massage on the beach. Now this is called the Smile Resort here. You have all the tables, everything set up. You have some parking. Hotel registration over here. And it's just to the north of the white sand. Smile Beach Resort, Khao Lak. Nice place to eat in the evening. And here's their special menu: barbecue beef, 250 baht, chicken mushroom, 120 baht. They have tours, airport transfer, everything else. Another little restaurant, the Ao Tong Beach Restaurant. More of the same. All right, and here we are at the White Sand Beach. So you can see they have all the dining out here. Here's the hotel check-in. This looks like probably where you'll have breakfast, everything. Let's look at the rooms. Look back at the resort, and this is what they have. They have these little bungalows, all of that back here in the trees. And they have their main building over there. And more of the little bungalows. All right, so that's going to finish up our video out here at White Sand Beach in Khao Lak. This is a beautiful beach. It's nice. It's the furthest north one. It's a little harder to get to, but if you want seclusion, this is definitely the place to come out here. Most people stay further to the south. That's where most of the restaurants and hotels and everything are. But this is definitely an option. Probably a little cheaper coming up here. You know, just it's up to you however you want to do it. So anyway, guys, this is what I do. I show videos like this. If you like this kind of content, click like. And if you're new to my channel, I do the open narrative thing like this. I just walk around and tell you, you know, and show you what I see and what I know. And if you like that, subscribe, and then you're notified when I post new videos. And leave me a comment. If you've been here before, tell me. If you have any questions, you know, ask me in a comment also, and I'll do my best to answer all that I can. Until next time, guys, from over here at White Sand Beach in Khao Lak, remember, life is a journey. Until next time.